Hello student, this is part 5th of chapter number 3rd of 9 science. Today's topic is molecular mass. In the next video we will discuss about mole concept. Here we can talk about molecular mass and formula unit mass. So molecular mass is the extended form of atomic mass which we discussed already in the previous classes. Here we only discuss the molecular mass. So the atomic mass you have to learn of different elements. Then the concept can be the atomic mass can be extended to calculate the molecular mass. So the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in the molecules of substance. Means if you have a molecule, if you have a substance, so of course the substance is made up of the molecule. If you have a water, so water is made up of water molecule simply. So molecules have the atom. Molecules are made up of different atoms. So first of all we have to calculate the atomic mass of the atoms. Then we can add these atomic mass. This is known as the molecular mass. Like if you have one hydrogen molecule or one water molecule, so here you can see two atom is there, two atom of hydrogen is there and one atom of oxygen is there. Means two atom of hydrogen or one atom of oxygen combine to form H2O molecule. So we have to just add the atomic mass of hydrogen with atomic mass of oxygen. So we already know the atomic mass of hydrogen. This is 1 U, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U. So now another thing we have to see here, or we can consider, this is the number of the atoms. There is you can see one oxygen and two hydrogen. So the mass of hydrogen will multiplied with 2 and the mass of oxygen will multiplied with 1 only, because there is only one atom of oxygen. So this oxygen we have only one, so we can write down 16, but you can see here the hydrogen is 2, so 2 is multiplied with 1, because the 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen and 2 is the number of hydrogen. Number of hydrogen multiplied with the atomic mass of hydrogen, so plus number of oxygen multiplied with the atomic mass of oxygen. So ultimately we got 18 U unified mass. So the molecular mass of oxygen water molecule is 18. Hope you understand. B section you can see the molecular mass of HNO3 nitric acid. So here we have only one atom of hydrogen, one atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of oxygen. So we will add the atomic mass of one hydrogen and atomic mass of one nitrogen with atomic mass of 3 atom of oxygen. So this is very simple. The atomic mass of hydrogen atom plus atomic mass of nitrogen atom and plus 3 into the atomic mass of oxygen. Why we multiplied 3 with the atomic mass of oxygen? Because here you can see 3 atom of ऑक्सीजन वी हैव. अगर एक एटम का एटॉमिक मास 16 है तो 3 एटम का एटॉमिक मास you can calculate them, no problem. If you have the atomic mass of one atom of oxygen, then you can multiply this with 3, so you will get the atomic mass of 3 atom of oxygen. So one hydrogen multiplied with the atomic mass of one hydrogen atom, so one nitrogen multiplied with the atomic mass of one nitrogen atom, this is 14, so 1 multiplied with 14 gives 14. Then 3 atoms of oxygen multiplied with the atomic mass of oxygen, so this is 3 multiplied with 16 gives 48. By adding all of these numbers, we are getting 63. 63 means 63 U, unified mass. This is 63 is the molecular mass of nitric acid, HNO3. Another topic is formula unit mass. So formula unit mass is same as the molecular mass, but if you have a substance which formed by the ions, you can say if the formula unit for those substances whose constituents particles are ions, means अगर कोई ऐसा कंपाउंड है जो आयन से मिलके बना है, तो उस केस में हम उसको मॉलिक्यूलर मास, उसके मास को मॉलिक्यूलर मास नहीं बोलते, उसको हम formula unit mass बोलते हैं. So here you can see NaCl is the substance. We can calculate the formula unit mass for NaCl. So the mass of the number of sodium atom is 1, and into the atomic mass of sodium atom, so this is 23rd, plus the number of chlorine atom, this is 1, multiplied with the atomic mass of chlorine, this is 35.5. so just calculate them and we got 58.5 U. So the formula unit mass for NaCl is 58.5 U. An example is here, you can calculate it by yourself. In the next video or online class, we will discuss mole concept. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.